What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off developers option in Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on additional settings. Now in additional settings, scroll down and here click on developer options. Now if you want to turn off developer options, then turn off this button on the top. So tap on this developer options button and then it will be turned off, and now you can see there is no developers option. So that's how you can turn off the developer options in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.